1. Phoenix Suns target Jonathan Kuminga in sign-and-trade, NBA rumors and analysis. 2. Warriors Jonathan Kuminga decision key to Bleak NBA future. 3. Warriors trade rumors, why Jonathan Kuminga might be dealt during the season. 1. Phoenix Suns target Jonathan Kuminga in sign-and-trade, NBA rumors and analysis. In a surprising turn of events, the Phoenix Suns have their eyes set on a new target after Bradley Beal's departure. According to Jake Fisher of the Stein Line, the Suns are reportedly interested in executing a sign-and-trade deal with the Golden State Warriors for restricted free agent Jonathan Kuminga. But here's where it gets controversial. Kuminga has been vocal about his desire for a bigger role and a larger paycheck, something the Warriors seem hesitant to offer. Could this be the beginning of a new chapter for Kuminga, or will he remain in Golden State? While Kuminga's future remains uncertain, one thing is clear: finding a team willing to pay him at least $25 million a year won't be easy. The Chicago Bulls were once rumored to be interested, but with their own restricted free agent, Josh Giddey, still unsigned, it's unlikely they'll make a move anytime soon. And this is the part most people miss. The Sacramento Kings were also mentioned as a potential destination, but no progress has been made on that front. So, why are the Suns an intriguing option for Kuminga? Well, for starters, they're a playoff-caliber team with a need for young talent. However, executing a sign-and-trade deal with the Warriors won't be simple. The Warriors are reportedly seeking first-round draft picks in return for Kuminga, and unfortunately, the Suns don't have many to spare. After trading Kevin Durant to the Houston Rockets, Phoenix only received one first-round pick, which they used to select Carmen Maluak in the 2025 draft. To make matters worse, the Suns don't have control over their own first-round picks until 2032, and they can't trade their 2031 pick due to a previous agreement with the Utah Jazz. If the Suns truly want Kuminga, they may need to involve a third team in the deal to acquire the assets necessary to satisfy the Warriors' demands. This could lead to a complex web of negotiations and trades, but the potential reward might just be worth the effort. What do you think? Is Kuminga worth the trouble for the Suns, or should they focus on developing their existing roster? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 2. Warriors Jonathan Kuminga decision key to Bleak NBA future. Imagine a future where the Golden State Warriors, a team built for immediate success, faces an uncertain tomorrow. The decision surrounding Jonathan Kuminga, a restricted free agent, could very well dictate the trajectory of the franchise. Zach Lowe, a renowned NBA analyst, recently shared his insights on the Warriors' potential future, and it's not all sunshine and roses. But here's where it gets controversial. Lowe's perspective might ruffle some feathers, especially among die-hard Warriors fans. Let's dive in and explore the nuances of this complex situation. The Warriors have always been a team that prioritizes winning now, but what does that mean for their long-term prospects? As the standoff with Jonathan Kuminga continues, Lowe offers a grim outlook. He suggests that the Warriors' current roster, despite its star power, might not be set up for sustained success beyond the Steph Curry era. And this is the part most people miss. The team's future hinges on how they manage their young talent, particularly Kuminga. Lowe's analysis paints a bleak picture. He posits that the Warriors' strategy of balancing immediate success with future planning might not be panning out as hoped. While the team has made some savvy picks, like Brandon Podziemski, the overall outlook remains uncertain. Podziemski, for instance, had a solid season, averaging 11.7 points per game and shooting 44.5% from the field. But even with these promising signs, the focus remains on Kuminga. The 22-year-old averaged 15.3 points per game last season, showcasing flashes of brilliance but struggling with consistency. His 31-game absence due to a sprained ankle further complicates matters. Lowe's concerns extend to other young players as well. He mentions Trace Jackson-Davis, another promising pick, but the overarching theme is the same: the post-Steph future looks bleak. The decision on Kuminga, whether it's a re-signing or a sign-and-trade, could be the most crucial move the Warriors make in the next few months. Lowe believes that a sign-and-trade might yield underwhelming returns, further clouding the team's future. Mike Dunleavy, the Warriors executive, faces a monumental decision. His choice on Kuminga's future could shape the franchise for years to come. The stakes are high, and the outcome could determine whether the Warriors continue their dynasty or enter a period of uncertainty. So, what do you think? Will Kuminga be the key to the Warriors' future success, or will his departure signal the end of an era? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's spark a lively discussion. 3. Warriors trade rumors. Why Jonathan Kuminga might be dealt during the season. But here's where it gets controversial. While the Warriors were considering signing Jonathan Kuminga, there's growing uncertainty about his long-term value. This season could be pivotal. Kuminga's flashes of stardom during the 2024-25 era, combined with injuries to Steph Curry and Jimmy Butler III, may have made Steve Kerr's concerns over the duo less valid. If he can't iron out the roster's inconsistencies, perhaps the Warriors' focus will shift. But now, after a chaotic offseason, we are back to the same conclusion, though with different reasoning, this time more focused on market dynamics and team strategy. The biggest changes this year included Butler moving to San Francisco, Luka Doncic and Anthony Davis switching cities, and even some players redefining their roles. Compare this summer's moves to what happened last year. Michael Porter Jr. was traded for a salary, and Kevin Durant was left alone because his disdain for the Warriors hurt the deadline. Now, teams are eager to see how things unfold in October. When they fail, they might look to shift paths in February. Kuminga's base compensation only adds to that tension. Golden State can only reclaim half of the salary sent in a potential sign-and-trade, which would reduce the value he brings to the roster. Meanwhile, the market is drying up. Suns and others show interest in a Kuminga sign-and-trade. All signs point toward re-signing him, exploring the situation, and possibly trading him in February. While it might not be the most exciting approach, it could prove to be the most valuable one.